Have you ever spent way too much time staring at a blank greeting card, trying to find the right words for a milestone anniversary? Or maybe you've looked at a fridge full of random leftovers, a bit of spinach, some leftover chicken, and a jar of pesto, and had absolutely no idea what to make for dinner? We all hit those little mental blocks in our daily lives where we wish we could just ask someone for a quick spark of inspiration. That is exactly where artificial intelligence, or AI, comes in. Think of it as a personal digital assistant that has read every book in the library and is ready to brainstorm with you 24 hours a day to help make your daily tasks a little lighter. Getting started is easier than setting up a new TV remote. Here's how you can try it today. Open a conversation. Go to a website like ChatGPT or Google Gemini on your computer or phone. It looks just like a regular text messaging screen. Ask a question. Instead of typing just 1 or 2 words like you do in a search engine, talk to it like a person. Type, "I have chicken and spinach. Give me a simple recipe that takes 20 minutes. Refine the result. If the first answer isn't quite right, just tell it. You can say, "That sounds good, but I don't have an oven. Can we make it on the stovetop instead?" And it will adjust instantly. Beyond just saving you time, this tool is a fantastic way to save and even make money. You can use it to compare insurance quotes or find the best senior discounts that aren't advertised. If you're looking for a side hustle, AI can help you write professional descriptions for items you want to sell on eBay or Etsy, making your listings look top tier and helping you turn clutter into extra cash without hiring a copywriter. Remember, you don't need to be a computer whiz to use this. If you can send an email or a text message, you already have all the skills you need. Technology is finally catching up to the way we communicate, not the other way around. You've got this. Thanks for watching. Be sure to link up and hit the bell so you can get notified of our upcoming videos. I would love to hear from you about what type of videos you would like to see. Let me know in the comments below.